In this video, I'm going to show you how to get high quality professional sound when you're doing podcasting or recording, like screen capture recordings on your computer. In this particular case, I'm on a Mac and I'm using Screenflow. As you can see up here, Screenflow is one of the most popular screen capture or screen recording software for the Mac, but this applies to other screen recording software as well as other software in general, like Skype when you're doing conferences or podcasts and stuff like that. So here we go. Right now I have my Screenflow open and I have my TotalMix FX. I'm using the BabyFace Pro digital audio interface, which is a high quality professional audio interface. And you can see here in my Screenflow, I have record audio from BabyFace Pro. And just make sure that you also in your sound settings, you have your digital audio interface selected. So you can see here the BabyFace Pro has 14 channels. Right now we're recording from my mic, which is the channel 1. And if we go in here, you can see here, this is my microphone, which is in my input 1. And here I have selected my output. And here is my playback channel. So when I click on my output, I will just increase this up here. And what this does is it feeds back any sound coming from within the computer. So if somebody else is speaking on a podcast, or if, for example, you're playing a sound,
make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button.
As you can see, this goes up.
That you also
right. So that's what that does, and you can control the volume of that with this fader here. All right. And now, if we want to record effects such as, reverb, echo, and also EQ effects, which come with this digital audio interface. And it might not come with yours, but with the BabyFace, these effects come built in. You might also have dynamics. So the way we do this is, if we wanted to hear some reverb, for example, and echo, I'll just take out the echo. So the way we would do this is you would click this button right here, and then just make sure that you have loopback on. Otherwise, your effects will not be recorded. So that's very important. And the way we would do this is we just increase this fader up here, which is the FX return. That'll feed the effects here. But then also you have to increase it on your actual mic. So right there, you can hear the reverb. That's full reverb right there. Usually you don't need a full reverb. Also just make sure that, I'm using a condenser microphone, so I have 48 volt power enabled. And this right here is my gain. So if you want to control how loud you sound, you can just control that here. And you can see that it gets really loud. And you can also see the meter up here. Okay, so about 32 is the optimal for me. Now, I'm just gonna, here I have my headphones output, so this is what I hear. I actually don't hear any of the effects that are being sent, so if I increase this, I can hear how that sounds, the actual reverb that's being applied, which is being recorded. So next, what I can do is I'll just turn down the reverb here, or the effects, so now you can't hear it. Now, usually what we wanna do is play with EQ settings. This can really get you to sound much nicer. So for example, if we do a low cut here, we just click the low cut button and then we can increase that frequency, and you can see the difference here. Test, 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 test. Right, so this will affect your EQ settings. And that's essentially how you would do it. This is how you get high quality professional sound that comes from the built-in effects in your digital audio interface, in my case, the BabyFace Pro. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to more videos like this. Take care.